Okay, we're heading back. May stress ka gano'n, no? Stress. Resort check-in, 15-minute limit. This is the office for the resort. Tesla. May straight pa tayo, may straight pa tayo maglakad. Maganda araw.
Should be enough.
Ayun kami rin, somebody will walk. Wala din, hindi natin pass. Ano should be... Gusto mo na umuwi, I will give you the key. So that you can go home if you want now. But me, I have to walk more. Walk more. South Point Hotel and Casino. Yan na. After that, after you reach that pole, come back na. Balik tayo. Last October, dyan tayo. Do you remember that? That building? Yeah. Before Lily's, May last year, I think last year.
Yung unang building. Yeah.
Tingnan ko tayo lahat.
Sabihin ko kayo yung ano.
Pwede rin tayo kasi meron tayong galing siya, di ba tita? Galing sa Andre Aldana.
Under namin. Pero
Hindi pa kasi
hindi naman nila